cover social hours where we talk about dancing. We teach dancing, singing, hobby ideas. We also invite guest speakers on our platform who are subject matter experts, and they bring to us a lot of knowledge. Keep checking us up at www.getsetup.in for the topics that are of your interest and the convenient of your time. We have sessions right from 9:30 to about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the evening. If you know others who can benefit with these sessions, do talk about it to them, share the link, also bring them here and let them join our Facebook page, WhatsApp group. Please let us know if you have any ideas or suggestions for different topics that we can bring to you. We will be more than happy to do so. We are educators and a training organization. We do not sell any product or receive any kickbacks. We are talking or mentioning a service, anything related to a service or product. We are not promoting anything on this platform. We are recording this session for the purpose of training, and sometimes our participants request the recording. You will receive a mail with some pointers after the session is over, so that you just can get a recap of what we have done in the session today. Chat is available. I would encourage, because it's always an interactive session, I would encourage you to use the chat box as and when you feel, because all of us may not be able to talk, unmute and talk at the same time. So just feel free, let your comments keep dropping in the chat box. I will be reading, and it also will be read by other participants. We are keeping the audios on mute for all of you. And yes, when you feel like picking up, just raise your hand, mute yourself and speak. It is a participative session, and today is going to be all the more participative session. So welcome again, all of you. And I have Isha, my colleague here, recording. We have started already. So,
so pink.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Anjali. Hi. So lovely to see all of you here. Again, if you come on the videos, it feels good to you also and to all of us also. But if you have any concerns about network bandwidth, perfectly okay. If you're not comfortable, that's also all right. There's no compulsion, but it feels good. Hi, Angela, Usha, Pankaj, and Nagu. Lovely Manju, nice to see you. And Aruna, yes. Okay, today's session we are talking about
good morning.
Creative thinking. Good morning, Angela. Good morning. So creative thinking, some of you have, Gopa, I think you've done this session earlier, Saba, Gopa, Usha, some of you have done it, and we'll see what little different, because I tried to bring a little twist or tweak it a little so that people who have done it earlier say, "Arey, ye to maine pehle bhi kiya hai, kya maja nahi aa raha hai," and all that. But then, we have to have the benefit of everyone else also. So when we talk about creativity, we are thinking, I just said we have our right brain and we have our left brain. Right brain is just used for imaginations, creativity, what if and how can we do this differently and things like that. बहुत कम बार हम लोग उसको यूज करते हैं, because most of the time 2 + 2 is 4. These are the facts, these are the figures, this is what we have, and that's why we get the answer. We are so packed and chock-a-block with our routine, we just do not have the time to sit, relax, let our imaginations go wild. क्योंकि हमें समय नहीं रहता है. But when we sit and do that, we realize that how beautiful that feeling is and how nice. We feel so good. We feel so de-stressed. We find our different side. We discover the different side of our own being. Good morning, Bina. So yesterday we did the new me, the significant me. The previous day we talked about finding our ikigai. Hi, Jayanti and Jyoti. Rashmi. So we are looking at, we are trying to bring out our different side of our own self. And आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग बोलोगे कि हाथी निकल गया है, दुम रह गई है, अभी क्या डिफरेंट साइड देखना है हमारा. ऐसे भी लोग हैं, but I don't think we are all sitting here for that. Of course, we want to see what more we can do. There's always something new that we can discover within ourselves. And there is this wonderful side to all of us, and that is what we are going to find. We want to let our imaginations run wild. And when we are doing that, you will yourself enjoy that feeling, enjoy that side of you, and you're going to have fun. So, in the session today, we are going to just have fun. I am sharing a slide with you. I asked for people to have a paper and pen with you. So, those who have joined in a little late, just grab a paper and pen. And I'm going to share a picture with you. You're going to draw this picture on that paper. You don't have to be an artist, okay? This is an image. I want you to draw it on a paper. Again, you don't have to be an artist. I'm giving you 2 minutes to draw that. Just as it is, as the image that you can see. Simple, very simple image. The 1 minute is over. You have another 60 seconds to draw that. How are you going? Going good? I can't see all of you, so I'm hoping, and I suppose everyone is busy drawing. Again, don't worry about the perfection. It's just the image you're drawing. Are you done? Your time is over. I can give you another 10 seconds to finish that. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. Everyone done that little drawing? Yeah, how did you feel? What was the feeling? What was the
Good.
feeling?
Good feeling. Good feeling.
Good. I can see some artists here, but again,
Right.
as I said, don't worry, we don't have to be an artist. We just are creating something lovely. Lovely. What I like is all my participants sit with ready with their paper and pen to enjoy whatever they're doing. Nice, nice Aruna, nice Rajya Lakshmi, everyone doing a great job. Now, how did you feel? Some of you said great and you felt good. Did some people feel like going back to the school days, sitting with the grandchildren? Yeah, Jayanti. Like we are making them do some drawing and painting, right? But that doesn't mean we can't become children. बच्चों के संग बच्चे बनकर मजा आता है ना? So that's what we are doing right now. We are looking at our creative side. Now that you have created this picture, all of you have done that, but I will have to, you will have to bear with me because I may not be able to give everyone a chance because everybody can't speak on the platform at one time. So I'm looking for 4 volunteers. We're going to do an activity and others, while they are doing their activity, we will be listening to them also. But all those who are not going to be able to speak or not going to want to speak but can't do that, they will do something simultaneously on the chat box or on their own paper. So, can I have 4 volunteers, please, for the activity? You can raise your hand and then I can call out their names. Rajya Lakshmi has raised her hand. So, Rajya Lakshmi is one of the volunteers. Indira is the second volunteer. Anybody else? Isha, can you see any raised hands? You can use the reaction button and raise your hand.
And Nandini.
So we have Fazila, Nandini, Rajalakshmi, and Indra. We have 4 volunteers. Okay. I have some men around and I would have loved to have them. Maybe in the second round, we will have some men around also. So who are the volunteers? Isha, can you put the names on the Indra and Rajalakshmi? And we have Fazila. And we had, who's the other one? Nandini. Nandini. Okay, Nandini. Yeah.
Nandini.
Okay, so we have 4 volunteers. Thank you for volunteering. Good morning, Navinji. Hi. So lovely, Jayanti. We are sitting with the toddler also so that he also can draw. So great. So now all of us have made that little drawing. I don't have a paper. I did not do the drawing, but then we made the drawing. What are the 4 volunteers going to do? Let's understand. Now, when we did that, I'm going to share another slide and then I'm going to unshare that, okay? Because I won't be able to see all of you. When I share the slides, I don't get to see all of you. So, okay. Now, this is a slide you made. This is a drawing you made, right? Now, here comes the trouble. What is the trouble? All these 4 participants, Indira, Rajalakshmi, Fazila, and Nandini. They're going to, who's going to be 1? Maybe Indra will be 1, Rajalakshmi will be 2, Fazila will be 3, and Nandini will be 4. I thought somebody else raised the hand before Rajalakshmi. Was there anyone I was missing?
Binda, can you take somebody else as a volunteer? I'm having a problem with the network.
Who's that?
Indira.
Indira, okay.
Indira.
Yeah, okay. So Indra has dropped out, but there was someone who raised the hand when I saw Rajalakshmi's hand. Please speak up if I have missed out. And Indra anyway has dropped off because of the network issue. So can I have one male member otherwise? Any male member?
Anjali.
Anjali. Okay, Anjali has raised her hand. So Anjali is instead of Indra. So Anjali will be the first one, Rajalakshmi will be the second, Fazila the third, and Nandini the fourth. So this will be the serial, the sequence. Okay. So we are going to say, frame a story. This is the diagram that you have. So this is the scene. This is the scenario you are in. All of us are in that, but only 4 of us are going to share the story. But all of us are in that. Okay. So this story that we are going around, I'm going back to the sharing of the slide. The story that we are going around. So Anjali is going to start, and Anjali is going to start the story. And next will be Rajalakshmi, then Fazila, and then Nandini. Again, and it comes back. Anjali, Rajalakshmi, Fazila, Nandini, Anjali. So 5 rounds. You have to start with the word, here comes the trouble. Anjali, you will start, here comes the trouble, and you will say something. One statement. Each one. Don't prolong the story. Anjali starts that one statement, then Rajalakshmi continues with that second statement. Fazila continues third statement. Nandini takes the fourth statement. Anjali continues again. 5 rounds. And it has to end into a funny and hilarious story. Are you all ready? We start now. Okay. Instructions clear? Anjali, you have to start the story. Here comes the trouble, da, 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 da. After that, Rajalakshmi starts. Yes, Anjali, you can go. I can't hear. Hello? Hello? Is there a problem? Are you all able to hear?
Yeah.
So Anjali, where is Anjali? Anjali Nevrikar? Somebody suggested her name and I took her name. I can't see her. Has she just got dropped
Can I-
out?
Can I
Yeah,
start?
Karan. Karan, yes, you start. Instead of Anjali, it's
Okay.
Karan now.
Let's see the.
Okay, I'm putting the slide because then afterwards I can't see you all, but don't stop. You just go on. So instead of Anjali, it's Karan and you get started now.
The screen is still not there. Are you sharing the screen?
I have shared it.
No, I said, are you sharing the screen?
I have shared it. Can't you
Didn't
you can't see
draw
the
it. You should have drawn
no,
it.
no. You have
No, no, I've
drawn
got
it. Everybody has drawn, but doesn't matter. I'm sharing it on the screen. You all can start talking.
Okay, so I'll start. Here comes trouble. My God. I had ordered, the latest oven from Amazon. And look at this. They sent a flaming dragon to cook my meals.
Rajalakshmi. Don't wait, just continue. Unmute and continue.
Wow, dragon cooking our meals. It's very exciting. I wanted to enjoy the new special recipes from today onwards.
Fazila, try and make it one sentence, okay? Fazila, are you there? Unmute and join in. Okay, Nandini. So the sequence is, if you don't pause, the story has to continue. Don't pause. Just be ready. Nandini,
Thank God we don't have fire in the boat and we can use the dragon's fire for the cooking.
continue. I won't call out the name. Karan, Rajalakshmi, Fazila, Nandini, Karan, that way. Come on. Second round.
Yeah, but the thing is, this dragon, how do we control the fire? It's going to burn all the, delicious marinades I made.
Raji.
I'm not concentrating on the fire. I am very interested in tasting all these exciting dishes.
But then without the fire, you cannot cook anything. Can you?
Go on. Let it become funny and hilarious. Okay, somebody else wants to chip in from the audience who did not give the name. Let's not have a pause. अगर gap पड़ेगा तो मजा नहीं आता है. Just continue.
Looked like a sea monster to me. Gosh, what is that ship doing there under the sea monster's gaze?
भगा दो उसको, भगा दो.
Come back, Karan, take it.
No. I got a better idea. This is okay, forget the flame. What we can do is, this is a flaming dragon. We just ask him to take us for a ride around the, island. We are anyway stuck here on this ship because of that stupid Suez Canal block up. So let's go and just, fly around the place and enjoy ourselves.
Oh, it became competition for me. It started eating all the dishes.
Oh, thank God. We are not talking about recipes now. We are going around to see places. That's good.
Fazila is muted. We can't hear her.
Why don't we start singing on the boat? Let's start singing and having some fun, some dancing. Then at least, enjoy the Suez Canal trip.
The dragon will dance for us in the air with his head, nodding here and there. We get a new entertainment. Oh, wow. Look
Okay,
at
that's
this
a great idea. So let's,
beautiful-
forget about our troubles. We started out, here comes trouble. No, there's trouble, there's opportunity. Let's enjoy. And the food, it's okay. We can
Music.
have
This is
cold
the
cuts
last
and
round.
really.
This is
Sorry?
the last round. It will end with
Yeah.
Karan again. After Karan, take it, Raji.
Thank God. The dragon pulled our boat from the Suez Canal. Now we are free. We can enjoy a lot.
The dragon has become a friend now. We'll give him
Yeah,
some goodies
now-
to eat.
Make this journey some romantic. Now play the Titanic song. We want to enjoy that. Enough.
Can't we tame dragon and play with him?
You know what? Ultimately, this dragon is not a real dragon. It's a child, playing with a doll. And then it's such a big doll that it comes on the boat. So it's not going to take you anywhere.
So Karan can end it.
Oh, we were having so much fun, and you ruined it all. But that doesn't matter.
Okay,
If you look
lovely,
upside
lovely.
down,
3 cheers,
You know,
everyone.
this whole
Upside down,
exercise
really
pretty.
looks like
At
a
least
head.
let's do this.
If you look upside down, it really looks like a head. So we can cut it and eat it. No, we cannot do that. Those are friends.
Good, everyone tried do whatever, and I could make out that we are all sitting at home and we are just waiting to go out. The minute you got an opportunity to see the sea and the boat and the dragon, you all started dreaming of the Suez Canal and all your lovely cruises and the marinated lovely food items and things. So partying and outing and all is that what we are missing, and that's how it came out. Lovely, great try, everyone. Now, did you all enjoy it? All the
Yes.
participants?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Something very
There's
different.
something around that. What happened? I want to hear from those who tried to create the story. How did you feel? What was the experience? Just in
Wonderful.
30 seconds, if you can share one each.
Had to think a little bit, had to imagine.
Yes, you were imagining.
Yeah. Imagination went really wild. You know?
So there were no boundaries, right? There were no
Absolutely.
boundaries.
Absolutely.
What
And
else?
try to make it interesting.
Yes. Karan, how did you find it? You did the beginning, you started and ended. So anybody else?
All
I
of
think
us went
Karan
with
did a superb job of starting it. Wow, what a creative idea it was. Really good. I didn't think of that.
Right, right.
Very well.
And I want to hear from those who were not who were listening to them. How did you feel? What was your observation?
Went with the flow.
Went with the flow. Deepa, you want to share anything? Mohana, you want to share anything? Yeah.
Yeah, Binda, it was very nice. Like everybody, sorry, everyone was having a different kind of their output to give this, and the story literally went, very nicely in a nice flow. Enjoyed.
Great, thanks. Suresh, your observation, Divya, Shikha, anyone wants to add as observers? Okay, so let me, yeah, Aruna, you have to unmute, Aruna.
Yeah. Even at this age, we are able to like be creative and think a lot and do so much like kids. So it was really fun. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes, yes. So you must have heard, and even you were, maybe when they were trying to, there was a pause and I was saying, okay, the next one. So maybe you were waiting to add to that. Some of you must have wanted to wait to add to that also. That was one. And like most of you said, we let our imaginations flow without any boundaries. वो तो ड्रैगन में से आग भी निकल रही थी, अमेज़न में से पार्सल भी गलत आया, and the marinated thing was burning, and so many weird things were coming out, and each one who was the next one who was adding on was trying to put in her or his masala and taking it in a different way. Do you think, ask yourself, am I the kind of person the way I spoke here? Always. No, I think maybe somebody did it for fun here. And if you can do it here, why can't you do it most of the time? I'm not saying all the time, but why can't you try to find humor and try to find something different out of the box when you are stuck with a situation, or when you are at home and you are trying to do something and you are in a big question mark, how do I do this? Or okay, I just don't know what to do with myself. So something like this, when you start thinking, takes you out of that zone where you are, have handled yourself and stayed there. You can set yourself free. So this was just a very small activity we did, and you can see that there are no boundaries. You can just let yourself go and enjoy whatever you are doing. So I now want to see to get four different kind of people, those who did not kind of people, 4 different people who did not participate in the earlier one. 4 volunteers, 4 or 5 volunteers who were not present, who were not part of the first session. Should just keep a track of who's raising hand and call out their name, put the names in the chat box. Have we got all 4? Speak up, otherwise. I'm just looking at a slide which I'm going to share. That's why I'm not with you. Are you all ready? Okay. Dr. Saha has raised his hand. Fazila has raised. Fazila had spoken earlier. You couldn't speak, Fazila, earlier. You were on mute. You spoke. You spoke. So who else wants to come? I want to encourage someone else. Manju, do you want to join in? Just enjoy. Just enjoy. Don't hesitate. Naveen ji, Jyoti, Rajalakshmi did it. Anybody else? Quickly. We can do one round of this different part. Mukul, Shikha, Divya. We have Dr. Saha, and we have who else? Fazila has raised a second time. If nobody else is coming, we are taking Fazila. Why are you all quiet? You want to do a better job looking at them and making your own story outside behind the screen? Manju, are you joining? Yes. Unmute yourself. So we have Manju, we have Dr. Saha, we have Fazila. Fazila, you can unmute yourself. And one more person. Actually, did you join in the earlier one? Anjali?
वो रेड वाला आता है तो उसमें नहीं सुनाई देता।
हाँ, तो इतने
We called out your name. You got dropped earlier. Can you hear me, Anjali?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So are you volunteering now?
Yes.
Okay. So we have Anjali, Manju, Dr. Saha, and Fazila, right? All of them.
If someone else wants to join in, I can get out. No problem.
Okay. No. So nobody else is raised their hand, so you can continue. Anjali, Manju, Dr. Saha, and Fazila. Right. Great. Okay. Now again, what we did first, now everybody got a feel. So let's not keep a gap. Okay. The thing is, I will have 5 images on the screen, and we will do maybe 4 or 5 rounds again. Start with Anjali, then Manju, then Fazila, and Dr. Saha. Anjali, Manju, Fazila, Dr. Saha. इसी तरह से जाएंगे, रुकना नहीं है. It's fun when there is no pause. Okay, and try to keep it to 1 sentence or maybe 1.5 or 2 sentences, not beyond that, so that आपको जल्दी जल्दी story change करके, because in 3 minutes we want to finish this story. Again, make it very funny and hilarious. Just let your imaginations run wild. Right? There's no right and wrong. Okay, are you ready? All set? The sequence: Anjali first, Manju, Fazila, Dr. Saha, Anjali, Manju, Fazila, Dr. Saha. ऐसे हम लोग 5 round करेंगे. So rest of the people can be on mute and enjoy the fun. There are 5 images. You can feel free to switch. There is no sequence of the image. You can move from one image to another image. Sorry. There is somebody who is not participating, can stay muted. Okay. Now here are 5 images.
Make it full show, full image. So these are the 5 images.
Not able to see properly.
It is in full screen.
Okay, ma'am. Now it is there. Yes.
Okay, maybe it was network problem. It was taking time.
Now it is there. Fine.
Okay.
I've not got it.
Anjali will start. Looking at any of the pictures, and other people can continue. You can use other images from other pictures and continue with your story. Okay.
Wait. I've not got the pictures. 1 minute.
It's not showing on your screen.
No, I got it.
Okay. Now the rules are I'm taking 30 seconds to tell you the rules. Anjali, Manju, Fazila, Dr. Saha, Anjali, Manju, 5 rounds. Anjali will start and it will end with Anjali. It has to be, make it funny and hilarious. When you're looking at one image, that one person should stick to that one image only. Don't jump into the same statement from one to another. Okay. You can lead it to another, but don't involve 2 pictures in one. Use 1 sentence or maybe 1.5, maximum 2 sentences, and pass it on. Don't pause. Try to maintain the continuity. Okay. Your time starts now. Start, Anjali.
Yeah, I'm able to manage both the tough bulls and I can see from the height beautiful world. I can see the temple and I can see how the men are fighting and one is put down, enjoying.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
You can manage.
1 minute. Anjali, you have to stick to one picture only. You started about the 2 bulls. Okay?
Yes.
And I can see it from, so you went to the other picture saying I can see the height and all that, but that's okay because I thought you were still in that there are hills where the bulls are there. So Manju
Yeah.
should pick up from there. Don't wait for them because see, they are going on because you're not picking up. Okay, the next person has to pick up after the first or second sentence. Give it a try again, Anjali.
Yeah. I'm trying to manage both the tough bulls and I can pull them.
Next.
Manju.
Next one, please.
I'll start. I start.
Start.
I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation and I'm getting a lot of happiness.
Lovely. That's great. Next. Keep on moving. Don't let us talk in between.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Bol bhai, bol.
Dr. Saha, start.
Not
Which
mine,
one
mine
I
is
start?
fourth. Mine is fourth. The second person talk.
Doesn't matter. Manju or
Doctor.
Dr. Saha, start.
Which one have you taken? Which
Now,
picture have you
दूध पीजिए
You don't
जैसे
know,
बताया
you can
है
choose
और
anyone.
पछाड़िए.
Okay.
I don't know. I was told my order was fourth, so I was waiting for the third person to speak.
Yeah. These men are fighting, you know, they're having a fight and they want to defeat and become the champion. So that's where I want to go and see the fight.
मस्ती करना है तो पहाड़ में भागो, फैमिली जाए तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो अपना फ्रेंड लेके जाओ और दूध पियो. All the best.
Anjali.
Don't delay too much of incubation period.
Next one. Don't delay. The second can start. Get started. Be ready. That's why all four of you should be unmuted and continue.
Yeah, these 5-6 people are having a great fun. I think they are having a sort of picnic in the open field.
Yeah.
चलो खाना पीना हो गया.
खाना पीना
थोड़ा बॉडी बना लेते हैं, एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं, अगली बार मंदिर में जाएंगे. All the best.
I'm one of them who's having a picnic. Wow, I've got a lovely barbecue going. I'm thoroughly enjoying the greenery and the lovely new innovations in the barbecue.
Yeah, after having a good meal and having good picnic, I want to go for a long walk into the heights of the mountain and see the valley.
Lovely.
Now I had good food, I have a camera, fantastic mind. I am traveling to that beautiful picturesque temples and mountains and the rivers, and I will be enjoying. Where is my girlfriend? I have to find her out. All the best.
Very well said. Lovely. Yeah, let the humor come in, everyone. Don't be so boring.
All granny
karo.
like.
Yeah, वही ना so.
I found my
I don't mind your girlfriend being a girlfriend.
I found my boyfriend and I'm going on the cruise. I'm already on the cruise and on a lonely island.
Today, watch the movie An Affair to Remember. Cary Grant.
Great. So you're already on the cruise and watching movies and enjoying. One more round, last round. Anjali.
Yeah, now after pulling the bulls, now I'm sitting quietly and then I go on the height and enjoy the scenery from top. I feel on top of the world.
I've thoroughly enjoyed my cruise. I'm going to the bullocks and having a lovely cold cup of milk. And then I am going to have a lovely snooze.
Now all the activities are over. Take out all your dresses, be with nature and be in prayer mode, and you enjoy the blessings on the top of the mountains, but you should be bare. Again, repeat the word bare. And become Rishi, Muni or Sadhi, whatever you are, ladies or gents. For nature, there is no sex differentiation. be united with nature, and no other peace, no other happiness is more than that. All the best. Happy seeing, happy enjoying, happy life.
Thank
Yeah.
you. We want to end it here. Can we end it here?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks. Lovely. Good try, everyone. And we were just going. So, Saba, you wanted to add to the story?
Yes.
You
And I
wanted to
will
share
hear
the slide?
I will hear that song of ma'am once more if you allow her. That song was beautiful. The second one from the lady. I don't know the name.
Yeah. We'll
On
make
top
her,
of the world.
on top of the
And that
world.
song was
Fazila.
beautiful. Yes.
Yeah. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. I've forgotten the words.
Lovely,
That's all
but
I
that was such a
I-
spontaneous, lovely
Put it on
Fazila.
put it
Thank
on
you for
put
joining.
it on
I used
chat,
to sing-
ma'am. Put it
Whenever
on
I go
chat.
on a
I will
mountain,
find out the original.
I always sing the song.
It was
Whether
the
it's
best
wrong or
of
bad,
this
I
session.
just
It
sing
was
it to
the best.
myself.
It was
So
the best in
great.
this session.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. So Saba, yeah, you wanted to add to the story? Tell me.
Yes. दो बैलों की जोड़ी ने कमाल कर दिया. दो बैलों की जोड़ी ने कमाल कर दिया. धोती को फाड़ के रुमाल कर दिया.
Wow.
Could she repeat it again? It wasn't loud enough. I couldn't hear it. Could she repeat it? It wasn't loud enough.
Okay. दो बैल.
Yes, Saba, unmute yourself.
She should be
दो
near the
बैलों की
mobile.
जोड़ी ने कमाल कर दिया. धोती को फाड़ के रुमाल कर दिया.
Nice, nice.
So see her, वो तो बैठे बैठे तो साबा ने भी कमाल कर दिया, है ना? So when you all saw the दो बैलों की जोड़ी, that was the local and the global. वो लोग जो WWF कर रहे थे, so the local fellow is telling that even I am my own champion. That guy is saying the same thing. So the story was went round and round and round, and you all tried to make it hilarious. Yes. So how was the feeling? What came out? People
I
who
am
participated.
18 going to be
Very
19.
nice.
Sorry?
I am 18 going to be 19. That's the
You
feeling.
felt you are 18 going to be 19. Lovely.
I'm only
Kaisa laga?
16.
Sa Fazila, lovely. Yes, it came out through your song. It came out through your song.
Sound
Naveen
of
ji, aapko
music.
kaisa laga? Just share something, Naveen ji. How did you find as an observer?
Quite an interesting thing to जो पुरानी यादें करते हैं तो बोलते हैं जवानी की मार बुढ़ापे में याद आती है, बुढ़ापे में जब यादें आती है तो जवानी आ जाती है. वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच.
Right.
अब मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड या नो फ्रेंड के वाले ऑल आर माय फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि अब अगले जन्म के लिए हमने तैयारी करनी है. तो सबा जी ने जो उर्फ किए कुछ शब्द बहुत जबरदस्त है. एंड ऑल आर मोटिवेटेड. थैंक्स टू यू एंड थैंक्स टू गेट सेट अप गो. बट वो आई गो बोलता है, लेकिन यू आर द बेस्ट. सो आप बोले बिंडा जी जब बोलेंगे हम जब जाएंगे, जब आप बोलेंगे प्रोग्राम में हम आ जाएंगे.
चैट लाइन में
कोई गाना याद आ गया?
डालिए.
हाँ बोलिए, कौन सा गाना याद आया?
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना तुम नहीं जानते कि गेट्स अप के बिना हमारा दिन नहीं निकलता आजकल. जय हो. थैंक यू.
So Shyam, how did you find the session? You just joined, I think. Shyam, you were there. You were there.
No, I wasn't there. I'm sorry because I was stuck up with some other work. But it is always the best. We all are enjoying and having a nice time with the grace of the God and you people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So one more observation I will take from the people who were as audience when they were seeing all this.
Thank you.
And ask her to put that lines on the chat line. I will find it out from the original. It was
She
very
said
beautiful.
from the job. Everybody, Swagata, you are new to the session. You want to share? Kanchan, do you want to say something? How did you find? What was your observation?
Actually, I joined very late, but so I couldn't understand the full of but whatever they described about the session and the pictures, that I really enjoyed. Now I also started imagining what can I do for that.
Exactly.
And for two बैलों की जोड़ी, I remember that song. मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती वो धरती से फिर अपना खाना आ जाता है, खाना खा के फिर वो कुश्ती में अपने टाइम लगा देते हैं, फिर वो सब करके जब थक जाते हैं तो फिर मंदिर चले जाते हैं, फिर मन को शांति पाने के लिए फिर वहां पर बैठ के पूजा पाठ करते हैं।
देखिए सी कांचन ने तो बैठे बैठे स्टोरी बना भी डाली है ना। एंड डिड यू ऑल रियलाइज कि हमारे दो पिक्चर्स थे वो धरती से जुड़े हुए थे, माटी से जुड़े थे। एक तो वो सब ग्रुप में बैठे थे और जमीन पे बैठ के खाना खा रहे थे, बना रहे थे, मजे ले रहे थे, और ये बैलों की जोड़ी थी और दो ग्लोबल थे पिक्चर, और एक बीच में था जो पूरा यूनिवर्स के साथ, वो नीचे धरती ऊपर आसमान और बीच में। सो इट वाज अ कॉम्बिनेशन एंड यस वी ऑल लेट आवर इमेजिनेशंस गो वाइल्ड और उसमें से स्टोरी बना रहे थे। somebody said that we thought of our olden days or younger days. हम लोग कुछ लोग दादा दादी हैं अभी ऑलरेडी, नाना नानी हैं, और हम अपने पोते पोतियों को जब स्टोरी सुनाते हैं इतनी बार तो इमेजिनेशंस में ही बनाते हैं ना स्टोरी और सुनाते हैं। यू माइट हैव 2-3 कैरेक्टर्स बट रोज रोज क्या स्टोरी सुनाना है, तो दादी उसी कैरेक्टर को लेके उसको थोड़ा ऊंचा नीचा उल्टा पुल्टा करके स्टोरी बना देती है। तो यही तो किया आप लोगों ने। सो we all have a little child in our self, within us. So you have to just bring that child outside and enjoy, have fun, enjoy whatever you do. That helps you.
I want to add something.
Stress. Yes.
I want
go
to
ahead,
add
please.
बिंदा जी, आपका प्रोग्राम इतना अच्छा होता है कि उसके ऊपर एक गाना याद आ गया, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के।
गा दीजिए।
नहीं, अभी अभी तो आए हो, अभी तो हमने बैठ के बातें भी नहीं की और आपका टाइम हो जाता है जाने का।
गुलाबी बिंदा जी अभी लाल हो रही है आपका बात सुन के। गुलाबी बिंदा जी लाल अभी पूरा लाल हो गए।
I know. मुझे नहीं, क्योंकि गीता ने जो ऐसे बोला ना अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के, तो मुझे भी ऐसे लगता है कभी कभी हमारा शुरू हो जाता है और खत्म होने का टाइम हो जाता है, एंड वी ऑलवेज फील कि अरे अभी तो और कितना कुछ बोलना है ना। सो वी आर ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड फीलिंग लाइक सो क्लोज, सच अ क्लोज्ड फैमिली, लाइक अ गेट टुगेदर वी आर हैविंग, बैठ के हम लोग गप्पे मार रहे हैं, तो ऐसा माहौल बना दिया है आप लोगों ने, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Please sing a song. Somebody is asking to sing a song. Please sing that song. It will be the best compliment.
शाम का बात सुन लेते।
छोड़ कर के दिल अभी
अभी
जाओ छोड़
कर के दिल अभी
अभी तो आई हो बाहर बन के छाई हो, जरा दिल ठहर तो ले। I forget it.
Thank you. That was such a lovely tribute to all of us.
Very nice.
हम ये सब एक दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं. So we will. Yes. So Sham has raised his hand. Yes, Sham, let's hear you.
Sure. One small, one stanza I would like to present of a song. You may appreciate. Thank you. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना। ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी हमने बहाने से छुप के जमाने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर भर लिया। हमने जमाने से छुप के जमाने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर भर लिया। तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी। ला 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 ला। तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी। ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा
Wow,
ले।
wow, 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 wow.
हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत
गले
सुंदर।
से लगाया है ना। है जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हाँ गले लगा ले, हो गले लगा
बहुत
ले।
बढ़िया. Thank you so much, Shyam and Geeta and Dr. Saha and everybody who participated. You made it so much more creative. I just was one of the, I was a mediator. I just was a catalyst. But
You were one in all and all in one. So that's the thing. The
पूरा ये
central
session
point.
आप लोगों ने ही किया है. Did you realize that because in the beginning I said कि आपको जब बात करना है तो unmute करके बात करेंगे, but ये वाला तो session हमारा पूरा interactive था. Yes, Saba.
Life is a puzzle. Nobody solved it. So don't try to solve it. Enter in it and think that I will enjoy. Then no problem. But everybody thinks to solve it first. That maths is nobody could solve it. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Saba. Before we close, yeah. You're on mute, my dear. You're on mute.
Here is a 2 lines for you. सुबह का हर पल जिंदगी दे आपको, बिंदा मैम, it's for you. सुबह का हर पल जिंदगी दे आपको, दिन का हर लम्हा खुशी दे आपको, दिन का हर लम्हा खुशी दे आपको, जहां गम की हवा छूकर ना गुजरे, जहां गम की हवा छूकर ना गुजरे, ऊपर वाला ऐसी जगह दुनिया में दे आपको.
Thank you so much. I'm so humbled. I'm so humbled. Thank you so much. Thanks so much, Shaba. God bless you and everybody.
Anybody knows that? Anybody knows that song Sabba Sabba? That song somebody could sing on her. I don't know. I cannot sing.
कौन सा बोल रहे हैं?
Sabba Sabba हिंदी गाना है.
सबा सबा.
हाँ. I'm not. Madam,
So Sumita, don't worry. This was a creative activity session, and we just let our creative mind go wild, and we all enjoyed the session. So it was a very participative and interactive session. So we were just having fun.
No,
We
but
will
I
be
missed.
doing it again. Yeah.
I missed
Thank
it.
you very much once again, everyone. Give your feedback. We'll be happy to receive the feedback from this session today from all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Lovely.
It looks
Very
like
nice.
everybody enjoyed it, I'm sure. And and you all discover your side of creativity and see how much more you will enjoy.
Ma'am,
Bye
send
bye.
the link for
Thank you so
feedback.
much. I want to know when every day it is a creative. I'm very new to the group, so I don't know the.
Okay, Kanchan, yeah. So all those who are new, Isha has put some links in the chat box, but just for your information, my sessions are on from Monday to Friday, 11 o'clock and 5 p.m. every day. And we also have guest sessions. Sometimes I host them. Otherwise, there are many other sessions right from 9 a.m. to 6 or 7. Look up at www.getsetup.in and you will see a lot of topics there. Okay, that is one. Today, especially today, if you people have not registered, go and register for 5 p.m. We are doing a social hour meet and greet. We are just going to meet each other because so many of us keep coming on the platform so many times, 40, 50, sometimes 55 have come to my session, and we want to know each other.
You are always booked and it is sold out. You are never free. I could not get to enter anywhere. I just saw it now. So that's why I could see all these pinky things. You are fully full. Only thing
I also vouch for him. In the morning, I also vouch for him. I think before 2 months only, I must go and register. Otherwise, it's all over. Otherwise, please increase your members.
No, the point what I'm saying, this thing should be removed. This is the artificial put number game to increase the TRP. Remove that. Whoever interested can come in. This is nobody is objecting.
See, earlier we are increasing the batch size, but what happens is if we are putting 100 and only 50 come, then it looks like 45 seats are available. So that's why it was used to be 25, we increased it to 40, now 60.
I have a small request. You don't have to say the number of seats. Anybody interested to see that thing will come and enter. He doesn't see the number. So number game is a TRP game, and it is not for TRP. I guess I'm not sure, but if not TRP, then that number is not required. If I am free at that time, I can come. I click, I can come in. But then I have put my fingers more on notify me. In last 4 days, I have put at least 100 on notify me. So that's a bad. Because I am just trying to see all the ball games. Thank you, ma'am.
So
thank you, ma'am.
This itself shows that we are in the right way path, and you all love us and we all love you. And I think your love makes us bring more and more to all of you.
Just one question, Bindaji. At what time in the evening you have a program? You were just telling?
5 p.m. 5 p.m. today.
Okay.
5 p.m. This is meet and greet. So we will get to know each other. We'll try
you will not get it. It is booked. It is full. You will not get in.
Oh, already?
Unless you
No. It is not full.
Launched it only yesterday.
We can still register it.
Yeah. Because it's a new session.
Not shown till today morning.
Yeah, it was just this morning. We launched it this morning. So you are now after the session, go and book it so before it gets full.
Because I was just about to ask you what is the program today evening, and because it was not showing on the
it was not showing because I was planning to do something else, but then my meet and greet I did on the 1st of January. After that, I promised everyone that we'll do it once in 2 months. So then I said, let me do it today, and that's how we launched it this morning. So we'll see you there.
See you there. Thank you, Binda. Thank you very much.
What is the program name, ma'am? 5 o'clock. What is the name of the program?
Meet and greet.
Meet and greet.
I have to log off because I have another session.